Welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Katara from Avatar The Last Airbender in this red outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one, guys, you can choose this hairstyles and also this one and color it black. And then I'm going to go to the top area and I choose this top, and then I'm going to change the color to red, this red color, and I'm going to move to the culture clothing area and wear this item from the Thailand, and I'm going to change the toggle to 3 and I'm going to apply the same red color. Okay, now let's move to the next area. I'm just going to choose accessory from the Valentine's update. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to color it with this color. Okay, for the first selection, and for the next selection, make it the same color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this sandal and color it red. Okay, just like that. And wait, let me close it. And I'm going to select the sock from here. And I'm going to remove the feet and color it red. Okay, just like this, guys. And I'm going to move to the skirt area. Choose the skirt and also this one, and you're going to color it with this red color. Okay, just match the color like this. Oops, sorry, I mean this one. Alright, and I'm going to choose this accessory and also this one, guys, and for this one I'm going to color it red. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the necklace area, which is right here, and I'm going to put on this necklace. And for the second selection, I'm just going to apply this blue color. Oops, not this one, it's too bright. Okay, this one. Oops. Alright, and I'm going to go to the jeans area right here, select this jeans, and I'm going to make the color red and also change the material to matte. Okay, it's done. And I'm going to go to the dressing room or the changing room, and I'm going to choose the skirt from the currency item. I'm going to change the toggle to skirt and apply this red color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to color it with this red color. Okay, for the last selection, just apply with the same color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the curves item and choose the X, and then I'm going to remove the X and color it with this black color and also this red color, and I'm going to make it on shoulder. Okay, guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.